Holy crap, this is bad. Yeah, and my cat's out here somewhere, lost and alone. Yeah, every car, Mom, like every car is underwater except for Allison's dad's car.
I know.
Like, I love that, how his Mustang is just like fine.
When I came back from taking you, I parked over there because it looked like a high spot.
That's Deborah's car. Not marvelous.
Okay. Love you.
Be careful, honey. I love you.
And there goes Dennis in his truck in this river. And there's him walking with his boots and his extra pair of shoes. And that is a car alarm over there. Let's see if I can zoom in. There's definitely no way to zoom in whatsoever.